Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. This recipe is part of our Inspire Me series where we show you easy, healthy and delicious recipes that you can quickly make with everyday ingredients. Turn on subtitles to view the recipe in your language. In today's video, we show how you can transform your favorite vegetables into super crispy and delicious savoury pancakes. Stick around until the end where we also share a simple dipping sauce recipe to serve with these pancakes. So let's begin. Follow Imran.Family Kitchen on Facebook and tag us on our Instagram page when you try out our recipes. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with all our new recipes. Also, comment below which country you're watching from and whether you'll be giving this recipe a try. With that, catch you in the next one.